Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, whole world is one family. Our today's zodiac is Aries sign. Aries people will see what is coming up for you in February month, what is going on, what is the energy, what is happening for you, or how will be your February month. We'll see. We'll shuffle it on camera. We'll see how will be your February month for Aries, my Aries people. Let's see. Aries signs. We'll also see the charms and love messages. So be with us till the end of the video. Oh, Aries, waiting for money. Aries people waiting for money. Oh, using sharp tongue. Okay, let's see. I hope you guys can see all the cards. King of Cups, Queen of Cups. Oh, I'll also want to pull out two more cards for you, for my Aries people. Think we'll take it. We'll take it. Okay. So you people are like wanted to celebrate something, but it didn't happen. Dealing with just a second. First of all, you are dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign. Strongly Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Leo sign I am seeing. Strongly. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Leo sign. And for some of you, for few percentage I am seeing Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So you are waiting for your money basically. You want to plan something big, like buying a house, buying a home, planning something for your daughter, something big you want to plan. I don't know what you want planning, but something regarding your daughter or children, or something regarding your house, home, life situation. You are waiting for investment, your investments also. You wanted to celebrate something, but it is not coming, it is not happening for you. This is what is your current energy. A lot of cups energy I am feeling. Some of you might have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in your birth chart as well. So I feel like you, if you want to check out those signs reading as well, so it might resonate there as well. So yeah, don't worry. I feel like you have lost something and lost someone in the past, but your that is why I think you are feeling now a bit burden, not even cold hearted, but a bit straightforward person. You are now, you have become a straightforward person. You don't take anyone's bullshit, because you have hurted so much in the past from lot many people. And you are very emotional, but you don't show your emotions. You are planning something big, you wanted to do something big, want to do something big, and it will happen, guys. It will start happening in the February month, whatever it is. I feel like for some of you wanted to do something for your family, for your daughters, and for some of you wanted to do something regarding your investment and career. Okay, you'll reap the benefits of your investments, of your career, your hard work, definitely. And your this 3 of Cups we have received reverse, so celebration will be coming up for you. If not in February month, then 6 to 9 months you'll see the result. Within 6 to 9 months you'll see the result. Some sort of celebration will be coming up for you. I don't know why I want to pull out some more cards for you. I feel like that. Aries people, you are very for some of you are very organized people as well. I'm feeling that. Oh my god, so many cards. See, I've told you are burdened by some situation. Those who's watching, guys, you guys are married probably, and you'll be moving or shifting your home or location in the month of February, or you are planning for that. And even if you are not planning, I think there are chances, in 6 weeks you'll be planning, or you'll be shifting, you're moving to somewhere else, to different location, or changing home. That is what I'm feeling, definitely. I'll just pull out one or two cards more for you. Okay, 10 of Cups. Oh wow, Oh wow. See, I'm telling you, you have been patient all your life, all your life. And you know, people have cheated you or took advantage, took you grantedly. Sorry, I am not even able to speak. You might be your throat chakra is disturbed. You are not able to express yourself because of the Queen of Swords. I am feeling, you know, you like, you know, very straightforward person. You cut people, you know, out of your life if they are not doing according to your situation, because you have faced and done lot of things for others in your life. That is why. So your throat chakra might be disturbed, so just work on it. In February month, I see you'll get emotional happiness. You'll get happy family life. You'll get happiness from your children or for your children. Something regarding your children, you'll find happiness for. Leo can your son. You have a daughter. I feel like that. Even if you have a son, but I feel like, you know, they are a Leo sign. Or you might be dealing with a strong. You might be dealing with a Leo sign strongly. I'm feeling Leo sign. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my camera. I hope you can see all the cards. So yeah, you are dealing with a Leo sign. You'll find in February month emotional happiness, family happiness, happiness from your children, happiness from your daughter. You'll do something for your daughter, for your family. You have been patient all your life, and you'll see the rewards. Not exactly in February, but starting from February up to 9 to 10 months. For some of you, 8 to 9 months. I feel like that. And celebration will be coming up for you guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is strongly I am feeling, and Leo sign I am feeling. I also feel that some of you, your intuition is very much strong, and even if your intuition is not strong, you are very much interested in, you know, in this spirituality, tarot readings. You are seeing lot of people, lot of tarot card readings as well. I am feeling like that. Definitely those who's watching, if you are a lady, uh, you know, you have a daughter. Most of you I feel like ladies are watching it, and you have a daughter. Even if you are a man, I feel like feminine energy, you have a daughter, and you are worried about your daughter. You want to do something about your daughter or children. So it is going to happen, guys. Don't worry. The Sun card is the, you know, happiest card. 10 of Cups also, Queen of Cups, King of Cups. Just start expressing yourself, okay? Work on your throat chakra, and everything is going to be in alignment for you, starting from February up to 10 months. And you'll feel emotional happiness, you'll feel family happiness. If some sort of drama is going around you or in your family, it is going to resolve in February month, and celebration is coming up for you guys. If not in exactly February month, then, you know, up to 9 months, 10 months, you'll see some result. Definitely you'll start seeing result in February month. If you are waiting for some of your investment or money situation, I feel like, you know, you are going to get it in, you know, in double amount. I don't know why I am feeling that, but double benefit. Something regarding your career, money situation, you are going to find the double benefit in your life. I feel like that for some of you. Okay, now let's see the charms for you. You are very I also feel like you are very soft hearted and soft spoken people. You speak very softly, humbly. Soft hearted people. I don't know whose energy I am tapping into, but it is very quite beautiful, you know. It is quite beautiful. So yeah, some of you, I feel like, you know, your money situation, you have lost some money. You're waiting for your money, more money. Money struggle is there. I'm seeing there, you know, and even money is coming, then it is quite a bit, little bit, you know, wherein you can just pay the bills, and wherein you can just, just doing day to day, monthly or daily expenses you can pay, something like that. So small amount is coming for you as of now, currently, and you're waiting for more money to come, but something something was blocked or delayed in your money situation, I feel like that. But the sun charm also we have received, and the sun card also we have received. So guys, double opportunity, double money, something double beneficial to you is going to happen. That is why it got delay, I feel like that. Some sort of good news will coming to you. See, abundance charm also has come up. Some of you might have been born under dragon year, Chinese dragon year. You can search the years. I think it's 1988, and I don't remember the other years, but you might be born under dragon year, I feel like that. And wheel of fortune charm also we have received. So wheel of fortune, the sun, something is planting for you, something is planning for you by angels, something is planting by angels. And whatever you have planted, you are going to see the result, I feel like that. For Aries, you people are very passionate. You might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and again the Scorpio charm we have received. You might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are very transparent people as well. The person who's watching this, you are very transparent, you are very warm hearted, you are very humble, you are very transparent people. You say whatever it is in your heart and mind. Initial is H we have received. And you guys are currently money situation is stuck for you, I feel like that. But don't worry, sudden change is going to come, like a light bulb moment. Sudden change is going to happen for you, and you'll buy a home if you wanted to buy a home. And something regarding your home life, actual home or family situation is problematic in your life, it is going to resolve and celebration will come. Okay, not exactly in February month, but up to 9 to 10 months you'll see the result. And starting from February, you'll see the result step by step. The sun charm, the sun card, and wheel of fortune, and 10 of cups, and abundance charm. So a lot of abundance, money, success is going to happen for you. Home you'll buy, car you'll buy, property you'll buy, celebration will come, someone's marriage, engagement can happen. Family situation will be resolved, happy family life you'll live. You'll be like a king. From this pawn you'll become a king, queen, according to your gender. And money, small amount is coming. It is going to happen that double benefit you'll receive, double amount is going to come. And the waiting period is going to stop for you. The waiting period is going to removed out of your life, and you'll see the rewards, whether you are waiting for investment, whether you are waiting for career money situation, or whether you are waiting for happy family life situation. Everything is going to resolve for you, not in the February month, but in upcoming months. But in February you'll start seeing the result. Let's see, these are the message from the love message from the person who is most on your mind. Please work on your throat chakra as well. Okay, let's see. Wanna be with you on birthday. So someone's birthday is coming up in March month, or your birthday is coming up, so your person is saying they want to celebrate birthday with you. These are the messages from the person who is most on your mind. You are my happiness. So they are saying, you are my happiness, your dreams haunt me, they dream about you. Wow, I can vouch for you. Wow, your person is so sure about you, they can vouch for you with to anyone. Twin flames. Wow, some of you might be on twin flame journey, soulmate twin flame journey. I promise I will make you happy. So your person is saying they'll make you happy. I didn't understand your value. So if this is your ex-husband or past person, they are saying they didn't understand your value, and you are missing your ex and your past person. I am seeing that, and they are saying they didn't understand your value, but now they have started understanding what is soulmate, what is twin flame. They are doing a lot of research on that, to try to understand your relationship, to get deep into this relationship. That is why you are my life. They are saying you are my life. I am upset. Your person is quite upset without you. Oh my god, I have lost a diamond like you. Oh wow. and this is the blank message. I think you want to say something to your person, but you kept quiet. You felt like, it's there is nothing to say. You felt like that there is nothing to nothing to say to your person. That is why the blank message has came, and your throat chakra is also might be blocked for some of you. So work on it. Listen to some healing music, throat chakra healing music, or just eat some blue color food or blue color fruits like blueberries or that. Third party over. So if your person has kept you in a third party, and if you are a single mother, I think celebration and happiness is going to come for you, and your person will pay the karmas for that, or they have realized your value. Baby, I need you. They are saying now, baby, I need you. So but I think I feel like, you're focusing on your career, you're focusing on your money situation, you're focusing on your home life, you're focusing on your daughter, on your family, on your children, son, daughter. You're focusing on that, which is a good thing. You're focusing on yourself, on your family, your people, your close one who value you. You are focusing on them. You are trying to do self love. You are focusing on yourself, on your money. So it's a good sign, and they have realized, your person has realized your past person, and they are coming and talk. They will come and talk to you because of this Knight of Swords charm. I am feeling they are going to come and talk to you, and you feel like, it's better to keep silence, it's better to keep quiet. Nothing you want to say, so that is why you should work on your throat chakra. It is quite disturbed. So all over, it is a good month, and you'll see a lot of things coming up for you, started coming in the month of February. So this is what I feel for you. Namaste, love and light to you. I love you all, my Aries people. Hope to see you in my next video, and hope your February month, your Valentine's week month will be great for you. Okay, bye bye. Love you.